Welcome to Universal Class, a free self-paced virtual learning program created to teach, support, and enhance your ability to achieve personal or professional lifelong learning goals. To begin, go to the Research tab on the Plainsboro Library website and click on the Online Classes tab under Research. Scroll down to the Universal Class registration page. Upon reaching the registration page, if you are new to Universal Class, select Register Now. If you previously have created an account, select Sign In. Once signed in, you will have access to more than 500 online courses. There are 55 courses specifically for how-to, do-it-yourself students. Let's acquaint ourselves with the components of Universal Class. At the top of the landing page, there are tabs for the catalog and My Classes. The My Classes section stores all your class documentation. For this example, we will enroll in Business Budgeting 101, How to Plan, Save, and Manage. To enroll, we clicked on Course Catalog. Once you've reached the Areas of Study page, select the Business category, where more than 100 business courses are housed. When selecting a course, the amount of time required and number of continuing education units that can be earned will be indicated. Earning CEUs is particularly helpful in careers where professionals are required to keep certifications and/or licenses current. Your CEUs will be filed in your portal. After selecting a course, the next page will provide you with each of the individual lessons required to complete the course. Once you click on a lesson, the corresponding video will open. In the video player, you can identify the video's length, turn on closed captioning, expand the video to full screen, and adjust the volume. The gear wheel opens settings, where you can adjust the speed of the lesson. Another amazing feature of Universal Class is your personal portal, MYUC, located on the left side of the landing page. Also, under the heading MYUC Account is My Surveys, where class surveys are stored. You will also find account options, which allows you to manage your courses, change privacy settings, and your password. In closing, Universal Class offers more than 70 classes in crafts and hobbies, 50 in computer training, and 45 in health and medicine. You can also take self-help courses to improve self-esteem, learn decision-making skills, and managing depression. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need assistance navigating this database, please feel free to contact the Plainsboro Library Reference Department at 609-275-2898.